Welcome to HCEM. We are manufacturer for all-free air compressor and vacuum pump. Follow me to learn more about our factory. Let's go. This is our disinfection machine. The atomized particle size is only 5 microns for dry mist. This is our 1 HP oil-free air compressor complete machine. The tank inside with the coating to prevent the rust. Our 4V tap air compressor with 4 cylinders, capacity is 400 liters per minute. This is our aeration compressor, keeps the water clean. It can use the impound up to 5 acres. This is our new design 550 watts air compressor. It can compete with Thomas quality, capacity, and performance. The life is 8,000 to 10,000 hours. This is our DC 750 watts air compressor. The motor is brushless motor. It can use the foam outdoor. Life is 10,000 hours. This is our oxygen concentrator compressor. We can supply from 1 liter, 3 liters, 5 liters, 10 liters oxygen concentrator and so on.